How to 1v1 your friend on Frag Pro Shooter. So this video does ended up helping you. Make sure you do like and subscribe. And if you do need any help, let me know in the comment section. Before this video starts, it's super simple and easy. So what you have to do firstly is make sure you are on the latest update for Frag Pro Shooter. If you are, what you have to do from here is you're gonna have to click on this option right here. If you are in the lobby where it said game mode, it should be before play. Then once you click on that, you have an option right here where it said 1v1 option, right? You just click on that. Then once you do that, you're gonna have to go all the way to the left and click on this friends icon right here. Now from here, you should have your friends added. If you don't, you could add them by two ways. You have share your friend ID, or you could just send it by your share via invitation, which is right here. You gotta click on that. Then once you click on share via invitation, you have two options. You could either copy it or you could send them by airdrop, iMessage, mail, Discord, WhatsApp, Instagram. It does not matter. So once you send them and they add you as a friend, it should come up on invites and they're gonna send you requests. You're gonna have to accept. Then once you do that, it should bring you to this page and you should have them as a friend. Once you have that, just click on their name right here. Now from here, you have an option right here where it's a dual request. And once you do that, it should take a minute. And all your friends they have to do is they just gotta go on their phone and they just gotta accept it. That's basically how you do 1v1 in Frag Pro Shooter. If this video did help you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.